Hi, I'm Jim Koppel, the Executive Director of Children's Defense Fund Minnesota.
And I'm Norma Bourland, the Regional Organizer for Children's Defense Fund Minnesota. With the close of the 2010 legislative session, you might be wondering how Minnesota's children fared. There were some good things. No permanent cuts were made to child care assistance to low-income working families. Barriers were removed to make it easier for families to secure food support. There will be new incentives to child care providers to increase the quality of care that they give. And teens in foster care will be able to get driver's license like other kids their age and will have more support as they move out of their foster home and into young adulthood. But there were also some not so good things. Decreased funds to local governments that will affect school funding and the quality of education for many Minnesota children. Funds to counties for child welfare services were severely cut back. The elimination of the Child Mental Health Specialty Grant and the use of federal and anti-poverty dollars to balance the budget instead of helping needy families. The failure to change the way we treat juvenile offenders, as well as cuts to health care that will affect some of our children.
So it was another session with mixed results, which is typical of the last 10 years of legislative sessions here in Minnesota. And the sad point is that we're cutting programs for kids, while in some cases improving them in others, but not really looking at the whole child. That's what's really necessary for success of children, is for them to get all their needs met as they develop into great young adults. So I hope you'll join us at the Children's Defense Fund and become the advocate we need and the voice for children so that we can convince our legislators and our governors and other leadership that this is the right thing to do for Minnesota's future.